Hey, good morning and happy Monday. What's up, gangsters? My God, look at this stinking sell-off right now. And also, sorry we're so stinking late. 9:40. We're 10 minutes into market open here. I ended up getting a new truck. Kind of threw off my entire weekend. Had a lot of plans this weekend. Thrown out the window. But we got a gorgeous Silverado 1500, so it's not huge, but 1500. It's got the tow package and stuff. It's lifted. It's like an 8-inch lift. So I kind of look like one of those guys with small peepee, but we did it for a specific reason. I really badly want to lake launch my boat because I don't have a dock at this house yet. We have a lake. We have a lake house. We have a really nice wake boat. We can't lake launch it yet because I had a Mercedes SUV. So now we got this big old lifted truck that I can lake launch my boat with. Yay! So, needless to say, that screwed up my morning. Let's see if we can get into some trades today, though. My gentleman with the cowboy hat, Trading Cowboy, is a little bit delayed at the moment, but he should be coming in soon. Shoot, first... Oh, shit, man.
Order filled.
Kind of just jumped into that one. I probably should have taken a second longer because, again, my mind's all discombobulated and stuff like that. What I was targeting is my usual move here. There was no wick on the bottom of that candle. There's no wick on it. There's a good chance we're going to continue to go down. Unfortunately, my timing, though, is I hit sell. And then the wick happened. Hey, good morning, guitar guy. I got a brand new eval. Made a little money at open. I like to hear it, sir. Good job, good job. So reflect on what we did correctly and make sure that we can do it again, right? Here we go. We're finally getting that break down. Oh, let's move this down a little bit. We'll bring a stop. We'll just try to trail the stop.
Stop filled.
Again, first one of the day, so you can never hurt it. You can never hate it if it's green, but my God. Okay, let's get into trading. That's what we need to do. We need to get into trading. I need to put this screen up here, though. Give me a sec. Let's add. How do I do it over here? Display capture, M and Q middle. There we go. Just bear with me for a half a second here, gang. Oh, come on. There. That's what we wanted. One sec. Yeah, I don't hate that. Yeah, that'll work. All right, so what I was going to point out, what I absolutely love to target these days is any candles that don't have wicks on the bottom of them, like this. Oh, wait. Let's get to the right stinking chart. My God, yeah, what a discombobulated start. And I got to be fast today, too. I got to get out at like 10:30. I got to leave. So forget that. What I was going to say, lately, I really like targeting anything that doesn't have a wick on the bottom of it. So like this candle, for example, didn't have a wick on the bottom of it. Now you do have to be careful. You have to watch levels and respect things like that. So this thing popping up and hitting resistance point would be a pretty darn good place for it to go short because, look at that. We just put a wick on the bottom of that candle. We just cleaned that candle up. Which also means that now we do have a potential of going up instead. But we'll see. Right now everything's pointing north. We're below our EMAs. We're below VWAP. This is our 200 EMA on the 1 minute, which we're below as well. We're dancing at the 200 in the 5-minute. Ooh, see? Like no wick. No wick. So you could go long right now. Boom. To clean that wick up. But it's just so freaking volatile right now with the with VIX being at 30. VIX is freaking at 31 right now. So you got to be careful because these movements are happening very, very quickly. We finally have 945, so we finally have our opening range. Which we're still pushing through the bottom of it. Still trying to make new session lows. Q's have his gap to the upside, but it doesn't seem like she wants to touch that anytime soon. On the 1 hour, we came up and we wicked that London high really quick. We have our Asian high at 317, so below us. Then London low is 234. Then Asian low all the way back down to the 24,000s, basically. Ooh, that might be a very good wick for us to go short. Let's give it one more 30 more seconds. Give it one more candle, but we're below the 200. All of our EMAs are still curling down. This is either a great place for a reversal or a great place for it to just sell off. Which is ultra helpful. We're either going to go up or we're going to go down. Man, I am liking this, though. Let's see what this next candle brings. Ooh, I was kind of hoping it'd go up first instead of down. 85.20. So it'd be about a 35-point stop right now to go short.
Order filled.
The problem is, what would our target be? The nearest target would be, I guess, like 317. Basically 320s. Just a little bit wicky. Wicky.
Order filled.
Ooh. Building some strength now. We're starting to get a little bit above the 200, so be a little careful here. Oh, the man with the cowboy hat is here. Oh man, you're probably fading me right now too. That's why I didn't say anything. He's fading my trade right now. Let's see. There he is. Good morning, sir. How are we doing today?
Good morning, man. Who bought that bottom down there, huh?
Ah, you dickhead. I did in a short. Son of a bitch. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, man. Well, let's see. We're dancing down a little bit. We'll see if we can at least get kind of out clean here. Maybe there's a little rejection here. We'll see.
Order filled.
It's fixing to hit my last runner right here. Boom, hit it. So.
Man, right as this trade starts working out. But there you go. So we're up $36 on the day. Good job, gang.
Heck yeah.
My goodness.
We caught the bottom of that, and we're up 375.
Shoo! Nice, bud. Nice. Man, you are rocket shipping right now with followers too. You're up to like 460, dude.
What is going on? I haven't even checked this morning, man. It's been crazy this morning.
Crazy. Yeah, dude. That's exciting to see. I keep popping in to see like the numbers fly up, dude. It's been cool. It's been fun to watch. Guitar guy. Oops, I got above the consistency rule at 59%. All right, bud. Well, there you go. Just walk away. You know, it's time to walk away. Switch out from the eval to just a 100% demo, and just rock and roll with that. Man, so I ended up getting my my weekend was all thrown off because I just got into this thing where I had to buy a friggin' truck. I just had to buy a truck. So I bought a truck. Yay! Look at that thing.
Oh shoot!
Shoot!
Look at that.
Dude, it's like it has like this 6 or 8 inch lift on it or whatever. Silverado 1500, so I can lake launch the boat and everything now in my backyard. Literally cannot wait.
Nice. Look at that, guys.
Which I've never had a truck before, so that's finally a truck guy, which is really funny that I have a Tesla and then I have this big, giant, small peepee, you know, lifted truck right next to it. But it's cool. I mean, that's my excuse. I'm like, listen, guys, I need it to be that high so that I can launch it in the lake. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh man,
has nothing to do with anything else.
Yeah, right. It has nothing to do, right? Though, dude, I will say, and it's the saddest thing ever because I'm a huge like animal person. I love animals, and you know, I'm just one of those people that I try to be the best human I possibly can at all times. And not 45 seconds into me owning a truck. And now, mind you, we bought this thing, you know, it was like 9:30 at night by the time we friggin' got it. 30 seconds into my drive home, I kill an animal.
Oh.
Which I've never done in my entire life. You know, I've never ran over anything in a car. And then here it is, 30 seconds into me being an official truck owner, and I friggin' run over this turtle that was trying to cross the road. And I'm like, what the fuck? You know, so like anointed my truck. So guitar guy, does that breach my Lucid Flex account because he's above his consistency rule at 59%? No, you just have to, you know, just increases the amount that you have to get next time, right, Cowboy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just means you have to get.
I mean,
59.
you could technically. I mean, I don't know what you're saying. 59%. If that's, if you had like a 50K account, your 50% would be 1,500. So if you made over 1,500, then you could go in there and set you like a, you know, I don't know what your 59% is, but you could set you like $100 loss or something to get it down to the 1,500 and see if you could take a loss. But
yeah.
Other than that, you're just gonna, whatever you just made, you'll just have to make that again, and then you'll be 50%.
Which, of course, Cowboy was trying to lose the other day because of the same consistency rule. And instead, he made like $7,000.
Yeah.
Dude, I was dying, man.
Like 200.
Yeah, it makes no sense, you know, no sense at all. Nonsensical.
No, because if I need to make $20, I'll lose 1,500.
Right, exactly. So forming a nice little bear flag here, bud. What are we thinking?
Man, I was going to take that long while ago, and I was like, no, it's just going to fake me out. And now the short looks really nice. I don't know if I need to take the short or if we should just wait for it to hit VWAP. But VWAP's, you know, 40 points down there. So,
right.
Well, here it comes.
And here it comes. Shoot, I'm just messing with my computer screens again because I had some stuff off. Yeah, I almost think maybe a short even on this candle for it to keep wicking down since we don't have a wick on her.
Oof. That was a pretty decent push right there, just how fast that thing wicked. But
yeah, that was a 40 point. I mean, that's a 40-point candle or a 30-point candle.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let's see. ES is at its 200. Q's is underneath its 200. Yeah, I'm tempted, man. Tempted. We got 2 seconds left for this 5-minute candle. Ooh, nice push down. Real nice push down so
real
far.
nice.
There we go.
Stop filled.
Not a bad little snag group. And then
Heck
again,
yeah.
look at that. Well, and I just need to have more blah, 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 as always. But there was our candle with no wick. We got it cleaned up. Good job, gang. But damn, yeah, there's still a lot of bullishness, though. Look at that. Look at these bullish tendencies here. Ugh.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
That'll wreck some accounts right there.
So tomorrow, ugh, as long as I can actually get on time for friggin' once, I actually think I'm going to start at 9.
Oh, shoot, chat.
Right? Because now, same thing. I'm stuck in this, not stuck, but, you know, helping my buddy now do a giant walk-in pantry in this gorgeous, gorgeous, like 6,000 square foot home that's, they're supposed to close on it in like 5 days, and the thing is not ready. The pool is, you know, the pool alone probably has another month before completion, so I don't know how they're going to get the CO or anything else, but yeah, trying to finish that up.
Wow.
So probably going to be a quicker day today again, probably like at 10:30. So I'm going to try to do some pre-market stuff. I'm going to try to do like a 9 to 10:30 so I can squeeze in
Nice.
an extra hour, and then yeah, just see what kind of traffic we get per pre-market. Maybe there's a lot of people that want to do like kind of like pre-market, I don't know, get in the correct headspace and blah 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 blah.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
So yeah, man, obviously that's a little early for you, but more than welcome to join me at 9 or same
Sure.
thing, just
Yeah.
as soon as you want to get on, you know. If you want to do 9,
Yeah,
9:30,
for
but
real.
yeah, if you could get on at 9, that would be beautiful, man, because I think we could, I don't know. Again, I think that it would really resonate with people. I think it would set them up for a really
Yeah.
nice day. And there's, I feel like, a decent amount of moves that you can make at 9 o'clock. Like the volatility isn't insane, but you still
Right.
get strong directionals. You know, like supports and resistance can give you like some good pops and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Sweet. Man, this is just some crazy chop right here. I mean, we're moving 30, 40 points both directions, and
Yeah, this is nuts,
you
man.
can make some money if you're buying, you know, buying the bottom, selling the top. But
Guitar guy screwed up his shoulder. Sorry to hear that, man. He goes, "Dang, this is hard to do one-handed, especially if it's your
oh, heck.
if it's your opposite hand. Like I couldn't imagine doing mouse clicks with my left hand. I
Yeah.
feel like that would be real hard."
Kind of missed that wick. It kind of wicked right down halfway to the 21 and jumped right back up like 30 points, but then it came right back down.
Yeah, and we're trying to dance above the 200 on the 1 minute right now. Definitely giving a pretty decent push. Oh my god.
We got a little bit of news coming out at 9, but it's, I don't even know what country that is. BTF auction, but it's very little weight on the market, so.
Yeah, it should just be a small blip. Tory trades eyebrows. Tory trades eyebrows. What a name, man. What a name. Aloha, brah. Tory trades eyebrows. You know, I've never paid attention to Tory trades eyebrows before. I literally need to stop what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to look up her eyebrows. Let's see. She got those good eyebrows? What a funny screen name, though. Man, so what is the story behind it? You just like those eyebrows, huh? I mean, she does a good job. You can tell she gets them whatever. She probably goes to the mall and gets that little string thing that plucks them all out, you know? Look at that. I look like I have no eyebrows. I'm too light. All right, we got a half an hour left. What the heck are we gonna do in this half an hour of time that the world has given us? We're still forming a. What is going on back there, bud? You okay? Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, you okay? Come here. You okay? Come here. You okay? Good grief. You little stinker. We have one of those like baseball things that you put the you put one side on your wrist or whatever, then you like throw it and you can catch it and stuff. And he had it all like twisted around his neck and he was trying to chew on it and choke on the string and shit, and I thought he was just messing around back there, and I'm like, he's having like a
He was fighting for his life.
Yeah, man, he literally was fighting for his life back there. I'm like, Jack, calm down. He's like, oh, please. I'll try to die quietly. I don't mean it. Come here, you. Man, I just saw a video like that, too. Arizona State Trooper just got fired because the body cam footage showed him pulling over a white, like, small Lexus SUV or whatever, and the body camera starts where he's touching the tailgate, and he's like, get out of your vehicle. And then the Lexus just takes off on him. So he runs back to his car, jumps in his car, slams on the gas right away, gets behind a full-size white Tahoe, completely different car, like small-sized Lexus was the original one, big-sized Tahoe was the one he caught up to, and he hip checks it because like he had the lights behind it and the car took the off-ramp and was pretending to, oh shit, man, you're in a trade right now. But yeah, basically hip checked
Don't do anything. Don't do anything. We're listening to your story.
Yeah, man. But yeah, that was basically it. Hip checked the wrong car. Like, the lady pulled off into the off-ramp, and there was no clear place for her to pull over, so you just being a random person that thinks you're getting pulled over for speeding, she did everything right. He hip-checked her, and he, like, pulls her at gunpoint, screams at her to get out of the car. She gets out of the car bawling, and then he's like, oh, my God, you're the wrong person. I'm so sorry. Get back in your vehicle. You know? Like, oh, shit. Oh, hey, yeah. Morning, Zero Dawn. How we doing? How we doing, thugs?
What's happening, my man?
What a start to the day. How we doing, thugs? I love it, man. I friggin' love it. Man, we're doing okay. We've, I mean, I guess I'm embarrassed to say I've actually had 3 or 4 trades, and I'm only up $67. But we're in the green. Today's day number 8. In the green. Cowboy is longing the shit out of this nice little bull flag.
Yeah, we're just trying to get above this high right here. It'll be 60 points if we do.
Yeah. Don't hate that. We're above the. Ooh, look at that. Look at that guy. Real nice candle. Real nice candle. So what did that do for us? That put it back up to the 200 on ES. Nvidia's back at its
The only thing we were
shoulder.
playing too, Chad, is I was wanting this wick right here to wick below this previous one, but it didn't do it, so I got in a little late, but I was looking back at our opening range box and it was at 354, so I was waiting for it to wick through that box a little bit, and it just barely did, so I caught it up here right at the 60s and rode it all the way to the 420s.
Yeah, hell yeah. Beautiful.
And I knew
trade.
420 would be a good area because that's the 20s. And then it was also the top of these candles. So I thought maybe you'd have to wick it, but it's still going. I mean, we could have grabbed 100 points out of this one probably coming on this candle right here.
Heck yeah. Man, so yeah, beautiful W-shaped recovery now as well. Bing, 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 bing. Why is my Zero Dawn? First trade, got checked by the market. Yeah, I almost did, but I mean, I had such a small size, I was able to hold it, and then I did all right. So here we are at a pivot point on our 5-minute. Let's see if it gives us any resistance at all. Otherwise, we have these 2 fat old shoulders here at 476.
Zero Dawn got checked by the market today. With my first market got stopped.
Yeah. And then Guitar Gay, it's okay, Greg. I'm only up $98 with your 57% consistency.
Yeah, so guitar guy, I think if your 59% consistency was probably your $98 you made, so you probably made just a hair less than that last time. So
Oh,
that's your
okay.
consistency overall. So your 50% consistency, your biggest day can't be more than 50% of whatever account you bought. So if you've got to make 3,000, your biggest day can't be over 50% of that. So 1,500. So your consistency as far as your daily doesn't matter as long as you keep it under 1,500 for one single day.
Yeah, $66 on
So yeah, you
Thursday.
can. I mean, I'm not
Nice,
going to tell
dude.
you to keep trading that account, but you can keep rocking and rolling.
Hell
Your biggest
yeah.
day can't be over $1,500.
Yep. And definitely don't lose any money. Don't purposefully lose any money today. Just keep pushing up until you get up into those. Especially as if it's a 50K account and you're getting up to a $3,000 target. You can definitely keep averaging that out better and better and better. Get up to like the $200 days, $250 days by the end of it.
Look at that, guys! Right back down.
Yeah, just a
Bounce.
screamer. Which we were talking about this pivot point on the 5. Oh, what the fuck? That's insane. There we go. The way that was pixelated, I can see the pivot point on my screen, but I can't see it on OBS right now unless I do this. And all
Oh,
of a
you're
sudden it
right. Yeah, I
populates.
can't see it, but yeah,
How crazy that
you can
was.
see it on YouTube.
Yeah. Weird. Weird. Well, NQ almost tried to fill its gap. Oop. Actually, hold on. Wifey's calling. Hey.
And Zero Dawn will make the market pay for that. I know.
No, I didn't actually.
For stopping him
no,
out.
I got home at like 9:35 and jumped straight onto streaming. Right now. Aww. We didn't have time.
Yeah, I know it's Zero Dawn crazy, huh? I mean, right off that
I'm
pivot
trying to make a
point
video. I just jumped. Oh, that was 30 seconds.
on Trading View. Was that close to our other one?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, love you.
Oh yeah, so they're kind of aligned, aren't they? A little bit lower. Our Trading View pivot point's roughly 467,
Yep.
and we're 463 on Trading View or Trade of 8. Sorry. Yeah, it was a
Yeah,
pivot
that was a
point.
big pivot. Big pivot. Hey, morning,
Good
Charles.
morning, Charles. Good to see you, buddy.
What's up, gang? Which, yeah, man, same thing. My weekend was just thrown off because of this thing. Like, searching for trucks and all this other thing, and talking to my buddy about everything, and so I didn't even look at our freaking Discord yet either, which is so sad to say, because I didn't post my. I gotta post my cemetery one in there too.
Yeah, I looked in there last night and didn't see it in there, so
Yeah, I
I
know.
thought, well, maybe the funeral services were at a later date.
Oh, the funeral services are delayed. The obituary in the paper gave us up to date info. That's funny, man. Yeah. Good times. Good times. All right. So, unfortunately, like I said, quicker day for me. I need to get some stinking trades in. Let's see. We're underneath VWAP. We're underneath the 200. We're underneath the or not. We're underneath VWAP. We're underneath the 200. We're underneath the EMAs. Everything's curling down. Does she want to make a next leg or not? Yeah, what a friggin' day though, man. Look at these candles. You're just getting like, whew. If you try to hold a losing trade, you get some huge candles shoved into your face.
Yeah, I mean, how do you? I mean,
Yeah, I mean like this, like you're stuck. Even if you're like, hey, let's average down, average down, average down in the long, you would have been screwed, or vice versa. If you tried to average down in the short for a couple of minutes, you'd feel pretty darn squeezed too.
yeah, I mean, 100.1 minute candle.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're doing anything besides micros.
Yeah.
The 1 hour looks crazy with all these
I don't know.
wicks.
Do we try a short right there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a little bit. Well, no, it's looking like it's gonna turn around now. Yeah, see, there's your halfway push.
Look at the. Oh shoot! It's not even friggin' showing correctly. Hold on, gang. Let's see. There we are. Look at the 1 hour. Look at those huge
Won't be
wicks
able
on
to
that
hang
1 hour.
out later. Well, now I don't even know if I want to have my stream then, Zero Dawn.
Need to finish a kitchen job. Listen, Zero Dawn, you and I are starting to get on the same level of stuff, man. I gotta see these photos, bud. You saw that fireplace I just
Yeah.
did, right? Did you see that? Like, were you around when I ever showed you the photos?
Are we gonna need to have like a reno deal in our Discord? Or,
Dude, we do, man. If you need anything in
or what'd you
Orlando,
do this weekend picture?
you get a 5% discount. That's so funny. I think we're gonna name it Oak and Ember, since we'll be doing obviously custom cabinetry and
Nice.
fireplaces and stuff like that. But yeah, there you go, Zero Dawn. There was a fireplace we just created, 8x20, and then we did all the ceiling work, and then we did built-ins on the side that you can't see on this photo yet. But yeah, it was a fun project. Man, shoot, that short. Oh, fucking, you're already in it. God damn it, man. All I'm doing is talking today.
Hey, that's kind of your job in our deal right here, isn't it?
God damn it, I know, right? Just freaking talk. Talk. Oh, son of a bitch.
I mean, guys,
though.
you're up 50. You're up 55 points if you want to take that off right now, but we're just gonna write it down.
Yeah, because no real wick on it. So you think it's, I mean, the next candle will probably friggin' pop it back up and then keep going.
Guaranteed 35 points.
Shoot, man. Shoot. I should be in this trade.
Probably come get me right here. Yeah,
I'm about
all right,
to
that one.
I'm about to hop in, if I'm being honest.
The only reason I didn't hop in is because this is kind of our bottom. Or I didn't stay in, I guess, is because this was our bottom that tested,
Right.
and I didn't want it to just rocket back
Rip.
up 100
Yeah,
points.
rip. Right. Yep.
I don't think it will, but I think it has to go break this bottom now. I think it has to come back down to this 303,
Yeah.
Stop
this
fill.
VWAP area. Then I may be tempted to try to long it.
Yeah. I'm trying to be real cautious on it. I mean, it was the same thing, though. There's no wick rate on that 329, so it should drop another 510, but I agree. You're right at what could potentially be a double bottom. At the same time, I
But
gotta
hey,
imagine.
we're playing micros. We're up 567. Zero Dawn would
Hell
tell me,
yeah.
well, you'd almost be at $6,000 if you were playing minis. I know that's what
Yeah.
he'd tell me.
I mean, he's not lying. He's not lying. Oh, you're right. I'm so tempted just based on like my bias of this coming up to, get people all excited for the longs. Then this candle trap the shit out of them, Look at all the people that are
Yeah, I
trapped
think
right
that's-
here on this shelf. So I could definitely see us making this next leg. Oof. Do we want to do it? I kind of feel like I do. Yes.
I got short earlier at 340, then got smoked by that rip. Yeah.
Yeah. What time is it? 10:13. We got 15 seconds left in this candle. NVIDIA doesn't have a top wick on its 5-minute candle. Huh. Trying to be patient. I mean, I guess it'd almost be... Shoot, would it be silly to put a short at like 319? Nah, kind of. Because you might get a weird wick.
There's a nice little 50-point pop back up.
Yeah.
Almost 50.
Yeah. NVIDIA's looking... I mean, NVIDIA had a strong wick down, but that's a huge hammer candle now it's trying to form. We only have 10 seconds left of this 5. Oh shit! I keep forgetting I didn't do the animals yet. My wife just called me to yell at me. She's like, "You do the animals yet?" I was like, "No, I was playing with my truck. I'm a truck person now." If it fails, we are heading to the next pivot point potentially, if not VWAP. Man, that was a good halfway down, then push. Pushed back up to the 45. Coffee and cigarette break. Nice.
Go get it, guitar guy.
Shee. Let's see. 473. Trying to form a bull flag. Huh. A weak bull flag. News today, there was at 10 o'clock, but it was something stupid that we didn't even recognize.
Yeah, we got consumer inflation at 10, but I don't think it's going to be a lot of bearing.
Well, it's already hit. That was 16 minutes ago. So yeah, it didn't.
I don't know if that's 10 that may be 10 my time.
Oh.
Since I'm looking on mine.
Oh, what time?
Is that right? Maybe.
What is today? 3/9. Hold on, let me look. 3/9. Oh, I mean, I always just go to Market Watch and it just says none scheduled for me. So it's not even important enough for Market Watch to choose to put it on there.
And we have some 3-month and 6-month bill auction, but I don't know. Let's see if I can drag it over here.
Man, she's actually still looking real strong for a pop right now. Are we almost considering long in this thing, man?
Here's what we got right there, Zero Dawn. 42 minutes, we got a little bit of news, but it says low importance, so we'll probably get a huge candle.
Yeah, I know. Low importance. Massive pump. Are we considering long in this, sir? I feel like it's looking good for the long.
Oh, I mean, I liked it 2 candles ago when it wicked through that kind of inverse hammer, but
yeah,
I did love it. I switched. In fact, when I saw kind of what it was doing on my other screen, I switched to a funded, but I didn't get in.
Huh. Yeah, if it breaks 400s, you think we might come back up to this, 467.
Mark doesn't like any trades right now.
What's up, big dog? Man, I was just thinking about you, too. Ugh. I feel like life just ends up getting so stinking stupid hectic all the time, you know? There's, like, so many things that I'm trying to, like, juggle at once, you know, and then my brain is just always like, boop, 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 boop. Man, it's the same thing, man. You're in town. Let me know if you want to go boating or anything like that. I feel bad. We talked about that all the time. So, man, if you do want to go boating, if you want to check out the ducks, the bees, the goats, anything like that, if you guys want to have a family day here, please let me know. If you want to have a fire, anything like that. If you want to log in, we can trade again. Let me know. We can do all that fun stuff. Airbnb-wise, unfortunately, we got booked again. So yeah, gift and a curse. Sorry, man. Like, great thing, but yeah, completely booked up. But also, I have to be quick this week anyways because I got to get off at 10:30, so that we can finish the stinking pantry, and then we're buying. So I just bought a lifted Chevy Silverado, which looks friggin' awesome. If you guys missed that on stream, hold on, let me show you this bad boy. We got a small PP monster truck, so that we can lake launch the boat. And then also, we're getting a 8 point. Oh man, it's not showing up too great, but We also got an 8.5 by 16 foot long trailer. So I'll be pulling the trailer. I'll be lake launching some boats. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, I gotta stop streaming at like 10:30 every single day this week, I think, because then Thursday or Friday is when we're gonna sneak out and go buy that trailer. That's about an hour away or something.
Nice.
Man, this is still looking good for long. The only thing I don't like is Nvidia's has a really nice point for it to fall down. And on the 5-minute, I guess we almost wanted to retest the 360s first, but it's giving me that FOMO long vibe.
When how do you do anything? Well, I mean, with VIX up here, you said it before you put me on, but VIX way up here in the 30s.
Yep.
And then it just on the 1-minute VIX, I mean, it just has these huge gaps.
Yeah, I agree. And unfortunately, here's the, this is just a chop zone. So we've came up, we've done this wave a couple different times here. And then look at that. Right when I was saying, hey, let's get long, let's get long, let's get long. Shoo! Right back down to the bottom of its range.
I'm going to try one right there. I'm going to just put my stop.
Let's do it. You don't have to tell me twice, sir.
And it may not work, but ES was right there at its VWAP. I'm going to trail this pretty fast if it'll pop up just a little bit.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice. Nice.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Well, we still got one left. We kept our one runner. Actually, I went in with 5 though, so I'm up $60 on the day now.
Heck yeah.
Oh, fuck.
All right,
there it goes.
All
right.
I mean, so you got a little what?
Stop filled.
15, 20 points at least on a couple of those.
Yeah, I did, but then my runner I let sink down a little bit too far.
Look at that.
And then leave that Porsche. So yeah, I only squeezed out $30 after that. That's sad.
The only thing I was looking at is ES was right at VWAP and it just barely went below it. And it popped up real hard and then it went back below it. That's what gave us that little drop. And then we get look at this huge push.
Huge pump now.
Golly.
Right? Man, yeah, Nvidia looks like she really wants to pop, and VIX looks like she's ready to crush pretty good.
Yeah.
What is it? We got 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can get some type of retracement. Disgusting, says Zero Dawn. Yeah, dude, these are crazy stinking candles, man. This is a hard day to trade.
Golly. Wow.
Oh, come on. No quit enter.
I mean, I had my stop while ago at 340. I should have just kept it at 340.
Shoot.
Wow. I mean, guys, there's 100 points from where I told y'all to enter.
Boom. 356. Yeah, to 453. Almost 100 stinking point candle. This is an account blowing day, says Zero Dawn. I 100% agree with you, bud. 100%, man. Because if you were holding 5 right there and you just had 100 points slammed into your face, that's $1,000. That's $1,000 on micros in one candle. And that's what happened to all these. Look at this. So all these people just got trapped, and they're all thinking, ah, shit, let's DCA, let's DCA, let's DCA. And that actually might pop us. I could see that popping us back up to the 500s real quick just to squeeze the shit out of everybody that was short just now. Which is almost making me want to jump in again. But again, you can't jump in after a 100 friggin' point candle. Damn it, 10:24. So gang, tomorrow will be a longer day. It'll be an earlier day. That's how it'll be a longer day. Is we're actually going to start at 9 a.m. tomorrow, gang. So nice, bright and early. Get your coffee. Guitar guy, get your cigarette in early. And then, yeah, man, we'll be able to do, pre-market prep. Tomorrow will be a really nice pre-market prep. We'll throw some trades in as well pre-market. As long as we have good kind of directional bias and things like that in our setups there. But Yeah, and then we'll rock and roll for the first hour of market open. So half hour pre-market prep, hour of market open, we should be able to rip. Shorts and
Nice.
longs are both getting curve stomped. Man, Zero
Yeah, for
Dawn.
real.
I'm surprised with your lingo today, sir. I love it, man. You come in, you say good morning, thugs. We're talking about getting curve stomp stuff, count blowing day. You just dialed in, bud. I love it. Man, so we did come up and retest those shoulders finally at 468, which looking at the 5-minute, this would be our perfect rejection point. Look at that. Literally perfect rejection point. Not saying we should do it because we're showing some strength, but my goodness, that looks gorgeous. Man, should we do it? You almost should, huh?
Oof, I don't know. It keeps trying to get over that. I keep thinking we're gonna get a wick up to the 480s and then maybe, but
Yeah. I'm going to try 2 little guys just because I only have 5 minutes left, and I'm already up $30 on the day, so we got money like that.
got nothing to lose.
We got nothing to lose. Which is also silly, though, because the last 5 minutes I've been talking about, hey, we're squeezing the shit out of these shorts. We're going up. We're going up. I'm going short.
Oh, look at that though.
You know?
Nice.
Every single time. Shoo! Can we get a little more out of her? Nope.
Stop filled.
We still got a runner, though, gang. We're not being silly. Look at that. I'm actually going to keep my runner at break even for the first time ever. And we're not going to touch it. Charles, this might be a 60-second trade while I'm in the green. We're green right now. And we're okay. Wow, look at that. There's a therapy session. There's our very next t-shirt. We're in the green and we're okay with it. Oh, come on, keep sinking. Don't embarrass me in front of my friends. We want this to go down.
Dry bones pulling the anti-Greg.
Pulling the anti-Greg. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the anti-Greg. Let's see, chat. I mean, I should move it down now, though. I was going to, might as well move it down now. Now it's at the 200.
Stop filled.
All right, Charles. It's good enough. It was good enough, Charles. We were in at 453 down to 395 for a 60-pointer.
Nice.
Come on, dry bones. Come on, big dog. Though, I mean, admittedly, I said I'd hold it, and I didn't hold it. We're up 184 on this account, and we're up, I think, like 70 on the other account. So we're doing okay. I mean, again,
Greg's been green for the last 8 days.
8 days. This is my 8th green day in a row now, gang. That's not bad.
Oh, Zero Dawn took that same short.
Yo! We got a W in the chat? That's basically a W in the chat, man. I mean, admittedly, obviously, you didn't take it because of me. You know, you took it because of you, and then coincidentally. But still, that's a W in the chat. I'll take that W. Take that W all day. Hey, Trading Cowboy! The consolation W. The consolation prize W. Here you go. You get one, buddy.
Trophies for everybody.
Everybody gets one. Everybody gets one. Oh, God. 390. I took it off.
There you
W's. W's. Look at that. My
Nice.
chair even gets excited. That's how you know I'm getting excited, because you start hearing my stinky little bells. Which, honestly, I don't even know why we have these bells. This is the weirdest thing. All right. So, forming a very delicious-looking bear flag. But at the same time, we're forming a little bit of support here. Yeah, I mean, it's almost kind of like a slight no man's land. It would make a whole heck of a lot of sense for this bear flag to play out and us push to the bottom of the range. It'd also make a whole heck of a lot of sense that We're, you know, this was our double bottom. This is our, I don't know. Even though that's a slight higher low, could this then be our lower high? Yeah, kind of like that. Whew. Man, we're having a good hair day today too, gang. Right? Nobody wants to mention that? Zeroed on? You don't want to talk about that good hair day?
It's got to be the new truck.
He's got to be the new truck. He's got to be. Listen, it was instant.
Cruising it with the window down, aren't you?
Literally, the second I put my name on the title, you know. So here's a weird thing, man. And it's not even that weird of a thing. I'm gonna make it weird by saying here's a weird thing, because you almost don't want to talk about it, but then I do want to talk about it. The price point on this truck.
Yeah.
So if you look at the truck, it's a really cool looking truck. It looks like a crazy expensive truck. Well, not crazy expensive. It looks like a relatively expensive truck. So there's the one side of you that can just be like, hey, look at that. We bought a really expensive truck today. We're flexing. We're doing great. On the flip side of that, I almost want to brag, though, about the price I actually paid for the stinking truck.
Yeah.
Guess how much I paid. Now, keep in mind, this is a farm truck, guys, for lake launching a boat and things like that. Guess how much I paid for this truck? $4,300.
Nice.
What? How
That's
can you
probably
get a
what the
truck
lift
for
cost when you got to put it
$4,300?
on.
What the fuck, man? It's a V8 and everything, you know? It's a 1500.
Yeah.
It's a Silverado 1500. It's got an 8-inch lift on it. It has like $2,000 rims, you know, and tires on it alone.
Yeah.
Listed for 10 grand on Facebook Marketplace. And my buddy is just he's flipped like 35 cars on Facebook Marketplace, and man, he's been searching for like 3-4 weeks for me now, and then finally found this one. Went like drove 3 hours to test drive it for me and everything, and then just said,
Oh wow.
this is the fucking one to buy. Yeah, dude, I got that truck for $4,300. Isn't that insane? $4,300, $4,300 for a truck. It's a 2016, you know, but it looks great. It looks gorgeous.
And here's the whole funny part about the whole deal of mine and Greg's different lifestyles, right? He just got a truck. He's super pumped. I would have made fun of him for not having a truck if I knew, because I thought, you know, he had a boat. So I was like, well, he's got to have a truck. Well, and then, you know, everything we have here, you know, we make fun of people here if they have a 2-wheel drive vehicle. So,
Yeah.
you know, everything's 4-wheel drive, and you know, we got super aggressive tires.
Yeah.
Some of it, you know, some of my guys have lift kits on their trucks. I don't have any on mine. I like to keep mine, you know, stock but looking mean. So, and you know, we were running, I don't know, we're running 10, 15 trucks here, and they're all 4-wheel drive, you know, super duties and stuff. And I've been looking at Teslas.
Yeah.
So that's the
Yeah. Well, that's the funny thing too. I still got my Tessie. And then we have a Mercedes SUV. That's what we were using to take the car around and stuff like that. Actually, you know what? Can I do that? Let me how did I do that? I put it in as a camera.
And so my boys make fun of me because I want a Tesla, but I'm like, hey, I just want to just get in the car and say, hey, go here.
Dude, you will love it. And I gotta say, man, because I'm so used to driving my Tesla, Dry Bones, it's in Florida. I'm in Florida, Claremont, Florida. So I'm so used to my Tesla, and then I always use full automation. Like, my car drives me everywhere and has driven me everywhere for the last 3 years. So I'm such a lazy driver and stuff. So going from driving the Tesla, this, you know, the sedan, the small one, to this huge 8-inch lifted truck at 10 o'clock at night on the highway, that was a scary, you know, I was like, oh my God, dude. Like, above like the 18 wheelers and shit like that, like just driving over minivans and oh my God.
That's what that was you drove over. It wasn't a turtle. It was
Yeah, it was a minivan. It was. You are right. All right, let's see if this thing works. Where is she? How do we do that? Then we have to go to right, VDO, Ninja, add your camera to OBS. Does that work? Oh, it's not working. That's all you do again, right? You just click. Oh, yeah, there you go. Allow. It wasn't giving me the permission. That's why.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Phone. Properties. Start. Whoa. No, that's not it.
Guitar guy's back.
Nice,
He's
bud.
feeling good.
He's looking. He's feeling good. No, that's not.
He's awake
it.
now.
And then you have to do it as the video source. Man, I can't remember how to do this. How do I did it to my iPhone once. I wanted. Oops. Discard. Because I still want the, like,
There you go.
they're like, it's working on here. Hey, gang. But now I want this iPhone VDO. Is that why? Because I have the iPhone VDO? Oh, God.
Oh yeah,
that was
you got
fucking
added
weird.
into that again. Well, I don't know.
Oh, maybe that's how
Did
I
you have
did
to put
it.
it in video last time?
Maybe. Can I copy
I don't-
this and paste it over here? Let me see. Can I just paste? No. Ah! It worked! Alright, hold on. Let's delete this one. One sec, gang. One sec. Remove. Yes, I want to remove. Oh, can I do this sideways? Will it make that? No. Whoa, my God. Sorry, gang. Holy shit.
And there's the shirt everybody wants that they can't buy.
Yeah, I know, dude, and that's what I was saying, man. This weekend I was supposed to friggin' work on that. I didn't even work on that. Man, it's not letting me click on this stinking.
Look at that! Look at that candle, guys. Perfect, beautiful move. Right back up.
Yeah,
Cleared those highs right to the 480s finally.
because I'm screwing up everybody's trades here. They can't even see anything. They're like, "What the fuck is this?" All right, how do I get that smaller? It is not letting me click on it. There we go. There we go. Alright, gang. So keep in mind, you're not going to be able to hear me, but I'm going to show you the truck real quick, and then I'm going to show you my animals real quick so that my wife doesn't scream at me, and then Trading Cowboy can keep helping you out with trades, because that's what you guys are actually here for. So let's do it! Woo! Look at this passed out pup. Hi, little pup. What are you doing? Alright, here's my view.
I mean, what do you think, Mark? What do you think, Zero Dawn? Is this going to be a nice little wick to maybe the 500s and then rejection, or you think we're shooting for the high now? I'm frustrated I missed that breakout. Me too, man. I kept waiting, and honestly, this little candle here at 929 made me want to get in. On NQ, I got in and I wrote it up to like 420, but on NQ, that's actually a clear candle, so it opened and closed at the same price. It closed red on MNQ, but still way up here. So, oh yeah, look at that truck, guys. That's nice. Blacked out rims. kind of surfboards right there with the animals. This is probably the best way for Greg to prove to his wife that he did feed the animals. Got it recorded right here live. Maybe high day, then maybe half day, then maybe 200 EMA on the 15-minute. Let's switch that over to there. That was that 468 pivot point on NQ that it pushed through. Got the top of the box at 526. So maybe push through there and then all the way up to 50% above the box and the 200s, both together, 607 and 610. It's making me a little nervous though. I mean, we should get that pop right through. But then look at that. I'm gonna try one right there at the 9. I'm not on my game today because the price action is something else that's really not. Yeah, zeroed on, and I think especially with VIX being up there in the 30s, it's at 29.78 now. But you know, it's hard for a lot of traders to get that. You know, when it's in the 20s, you know, when it gets down to 10, 15, that's when it makes this super nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and set my stops here and profit. See if we can just get this pop through the high. We should get a pop, but maybe we can get it after we take out the previous wick. That's kind of what I thought, Mark. I kind of got worried when it went through the 9. I was like, okay, we're gonna have to come back down to 55, maybe 65. If we can't hold this bottom here at this 95, we're gonna push right back down. But see if we can get a wick to the 530. That'll get one of them out. Otherwise, it'll hit both of them. Really need to hold this 500 area right here. The 15's fixing to close, and it's a super bullish candle. So I really don't want that pullback, but maybe we'll get that 50-second push. If it rejects right here on this 50 seconds, then we'll be downtown for a minute. But let's see if we can get a little push. They want to close this candle. The bulls want to close this candle really strong. Up about 150 right there, just on 2 little micros. I'm going to move one of these just to the bottom of that wick, bottom of that body, I guess. There's your push. One's off. We're just going to trail the next one. So, guys, that was 60 points on one little micro right there. We're still pushing. That's 75 points so far, guys, to the high. I'll take that win. Heck yeah, Mark. Great call out. Got it on that green hammer candle. Nice. There's 80 points, guys. Come on. We need Greg to hurry up and get back so we can see the trade he missed. Mark got 40 points. Nice, Mark. Greg's just showing off all his land right here. Look at that, guys. Look at the lake out there. I'm going to move this up to the 30s. I'll take it off at the 30s for 60 points if it comes that far down. Otherwise, we're going to take it if it pops through 75. We'll take it off. Zero Dawn's being quiet, so you know he caught it too. I'm in at 500. I do it. I do it. That was a pretty easy trade. Come on, guys. There's 100 points right there. 100 points. Right off the 9 bounce. Looking for that 200 EMA. I got you, Zero Dawn. Back up to 100 right there. 574. We're killing it, guys. That a boy catching at 71. Yeah, you know, Zero Dawn, I mean, as soon as it tapped that 9, I was like, okay, buddy, if you don't hold here, you know, I thought 71, my stop could be below the 50s. So.
Shoo! Did it actually work?
Yeah, we saw the whole
Video.
Dang.
We're out here getting 100-point trades, but
son of a bitch. Of course. Jeez, man, you really did. You literally just got 100.
We're up 100 right now. We already took a couple off. Zero Dawn caught it. Mark caught it. I called it out at the 71s.
Oh, of course, man. I mean, I had to do the friggin' annals, but damn. You pop. I'll take that win. Got in and out of that green hammer candle. 40 points. In at 500s. Oh. Greg out here wearing the jorts. Yeah, buddies. Just made these things myself. Shoo. I know they look a little silly, especially on camera. They got like, they're a little bit too, like they frilled up too much on me. They frilled up a little bit too much, gang. I admit it. So yeah, man, we ripped through that friggin' box, didn't we? Blasted above it, made a new all-time high. Cowboy still friggin' holding it. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, we're up 100 right there. We're shooting for, I'm shooting for that 600 area, so I got it at 596 for 125 points.
Shoo.
Zero Dawn wants to ride it to 608, 610, but I think it's going to have to come down here and get this 40 area, kind of clean this up first, so it may stop me out, but...
Wow. impressive stinking trade, guys. I wish I hadn't missed it.
Yeah, I called it out right at the 471 out loud for everybody.
Damn.
Zero Dawn got in at 500. Mark may have already been in, but he caught 40 points of that bad boy right to the high.
Shoot, dude. Damn it. That's a beautiful trade. Beautiful stinking trade. Damn. I gotta go yell at the ducks. You sons of bitches, you know what you just made me for one egg? For one lousy egg?
One egg, yeah, you got one.
What the hell?
So you made what, $4 or $5? What'd you say?
On that egg?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like.
Did you say you could sell them for, or you gonna eat it yourself?
Yeah, so we get $5 for 4 eggs. So that was a dollar, whatever that is. That's like $1.50.
Oh yeah. So you should just go cook it up and eat it in front of them, I guess.
Literally, man. I just freaking stomp on it in front of them. This is what I think of your measly egg. Which 2 days ago they gave us 10 as well. That's kind of frustrating. Well, shoot, man, I got to get going too. Damn. I really did miss that entire move. That would have been a really fun one to be a part of. That's okay.
Just a little 100 points, Greg.
Yeah, you fucking asshole. He's like, yeah, it's no big deal, you know. We basically all just order our Lamborghinis without you, but you know, it's
hey,
like
you
that.
Can meet us in your Chevy.
It's like every single day for the last 3 years we've been going on the lottery pool together, and then I was the one coworker that day decided, you know what, we haven't won in 3 years, I'm not going to be a part of the pool, and then the entire squad shows up the very next day. We hit big. You dickheads.
All right, I'm gonna take this off at the 60s if it comes back down since we're in the stream.
Yeah.
That'd be 90 points, guys.
90 stinking points, chat. That's not a bad trade.
There you go.
Not
yeah,
a
it was up
bad
109 at one point, so.
Yep. Shit,
there you
dude.
go, guys.
Well, all right, gang. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. This is now my 8th green day in a row. We're up 184 on this account. We're up 70 on this account. So we're slowly making some progress. As always, we have the wonderful Trading Cowboy with us, who's an absolute wizard at trading. Make sure that you like and subscribe his channel. We're blowing him up pretty good. He's already almost at 500 subscribers, which is absolutely
Come on, guys. We're
amazing.
We're going to start shelling out those.
Hell yeah. Making it rain emails. So exactly. If you can help support us, of course, the goal is for us to eventually be able to support you guys as well. And then we can all keep rocking and rolling and killing this thing together.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, we're actually going to start early. We're going to start this brand new process. Instead of at 9:25 or 9:30, we're actually going to start the stream at 9 o'clock tomorrow to do some pre-market prep. We'll sneak in a few different, probably pre-market trades as well. And then we'll rock and roll for the first hour, at least with myself. And then afterwards, obviously, hop over to Cowboy, and you guys can keep killing it. Cool?
Yeah. Heck yeah, guys.
All right. Well,
I'll see y'all in about an hour, I guess. I may hop on a little bit early, but
cool.
I hopped on early Friday, and man, I think we streamed for almost 5 hours.
Dude, I saw that, man. That was a long stream that you did, man.
But by the time I get ready to get off, we get in a trade or somebody starts asking questions, and then here goes I go on a 30-minute rant.
Yeah. Well, look at me. All I freaking did today was talk. I'm lucky that I actually made some good trades, because literally all I've been doing is chatting today. But that's what happens sometimes. I get too excited.
But
I just can't wait to.
Your daily recap for the day can be how I stayed green for 8 days in a row.
Yeah, and bought a truck. Except for watch this.
Here's another thing, chat. If we get him in a good trade and he gets out, and then we have him talk, he doesn't try to jump back into another one real fast.
Right, exactly. Yeah, it slows me down real good.
Because if we get quiet, he's like, okay, I'm just going to jump in here so we're in something.
Literally, every time I'm like, all right, I'm bored. This looks good. I've convinced myself. And it's usually, too, I'll be rambling about it's probably long, it's probably long, it's probably long. All right, I convinced myself. I'm going short. Like, wait, what? What just happened, Greg? Oh, man. Look at this 5-minute candle right now. It's just a pancake. Well, a cube.
I mean, it's got to pop up to this 600, 610 area, just like Zero Dawn thought. I mean, come on.
Yeah, especially look at VIX is still falling down real nice. Yeah, I like it. Cool, guys. Yeah, love y'all to death. Thanks for hanging out with us. Pop on over to
Thanks, guys.
Trading Cowboy, which, man, watch that. You pop over to his channel in 3 hours. He's going to be like, hey, guys, guess what I did today? I bought a new truck. And then he's going to have, like, it's going to be a dually or something like that instead. It's going to have a 10-inch lift on it instead.
Yeah, now I got to go buy something.
You son of a bitch. Oh, it's too fun. All right,
That's
gang.
how the teamwork works.
Yeah. Love y'all to death. We'll see you tomorrow.